The yield is inverting. We are headed into recession. That is what I keep hearing from all the pundits on the news. Seems like everybody on CNBC wants to talk about it. I keep hearing about it on the chat. Everybody is on their head about this yield curve inversion. It hasn't fully inverted, as you could see on this chart. We're just about there on the 10-2, but it hasn't fully inverted. There's a couple of things I want to talk about. This year, the yield will likely invert. But something I wanted to point out, when the yield inverts, right here it happened in August 1978. We did not go into recession until January 1980. It inverted over here again in December 1988. Didn't go into recession until July 1990. Over here it inverted in February 2000. We went into recession in March of 2001. And the most recent one, January of 2006, the yield inverted. And we didn't go into recession January 2008. That's a 2-year gap. That is a 2-year gap between inversion and when we go into recession. Something that's different on this inversion from the previous inversions is this year, the federal funds effective rate is going up and there's no sign of recession. Typically when the federal funds rate is going up, first there's an inversion, and then as the rate is going up out of the inversion, the recessions happen. In this situation, the federal funds rate is still going up and we have no signs of recession. So that's something that's different this year than it has been in the past. The other thing is the federal funds effective rate. That is the rate that the federal government issues to banks at how much they should sell their funds hasn't started to climb. As you could see in the past, the federal funds effective rate goes up and then it reaches a climax, and then on the downside we have a recession. It happens every time. Right here, the federal funds effective rate barely started climbing. Leads me to believe maybe we got the wrong idea and this is a different kind of movement that's happening that isn't necessarily going to lead to a recession. One thing I know for sure, Jerome Powell is smiling. Everybody's talking about him and his job is safe. So stick around in the stock market. We'll help you maneuver these downsides. We'll help you maneuver everything that happens, and stay quick, stay nimble, do a lot of day trading, but don't be scared with the talk of recession.